Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you guys how to make this pie. I think I don't know if I should call it chicken pie but this is a different way of making chicken pie. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using. I found this from Target, Puff Pastry Sheets, so I'm going to be using that. It's already made. I'm going to be using carrots. I will be using potatoes and also my chicken. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this video. I'm going to be adding the potato because this is hard, so I'm going to let that cook before I added my chicken. So that's cooked. I'm going to have my carrots as well. Let that cook for about 5 minutes. This is my chicken, and I'm going to add that so all that can cook together. Okay. I'm going to be adding my seasoning. This is onion powder, garlic, chicken bouillon, and salt. Okay, I'm going to add that and stir. Alright, so my mixture is almost done, and I'm going to be adding this cornstarch mix. Oops. Just to thicken it a little bit. So you can see how that has taken a little bit more after adding the see that? The cornstarch mix. Just mix that with water. Alright, so this is my filling. It's already cooked. I'm going to set that aside. And this is what I will be using instead of rolling my own dough. So let's see what it looks like. This is actually my first time using this, so I'm not familiar with this. I saw this online and I decided to try it out. So let's see how this looks. So it has 2 sheets, as you can see here, and just unravel it. Let's do one at a time. Okay, let's do 6. That this way, and then I think I will do this way. Okay, so see that. Alright, so the next is we're going to be filling it in. So this is it. Put that in. Maybe you can let it cool down a little bit. This is a little too hot, so maybe let it cool down. And then this is the top. I'm just going to lay it on top like this. And then I will be using my fork just to seal the ends, and voila, that's it. Okay, let's do that again. So I was able to make 6. This is it. So the next thing is I am going to be putting that in the oven, but before I do that, I am going to use the egg to just to have that like golden brown color. This is optional as well. Alright, all done. And I'm preheating the oven to 380, and I will be baking this for 20 minutes. This is the final. What do you guys think? This looks good already. Alright, so this is the final. That's what it looks like. Let's see what the inside looks like. This is so good. Very crispy.